The one thing all of our organizations have in common is that we all want to grow. If we all agree that every form of growth comes from some sort of investment, we must consider the famous Peter Drucker's quote, "You can't improve what you can't measure." Or, as it pertains to today, you can't improve your bottom line if you cannot measure it. Understanding returns on your organization's investments requires intimate understanding of your revenue streams. These are just core fundamentals required for consistent, systemic growth. Today, we're going to cover system concepts to help you more accurately measure and understand your revenue streams, sales costs, and returns on investments.
Welcome to an inside look at Bellatron Technologies Learning Center. Let's begin by defining typical revenue sources. Understanding the source of your revenue is what allows you to optimize your revenue-generating systems. The majority of your revenue is likely created in one of these three mechanisms: organically, or by simply existing, through passive sales channels, such as your marketing efforts, or by an active sales presence. Understanding how your revenue was generated is the fundamental requirement for measuring returns on investments and understanding your sales costs. Implementing processes to capture this component usually involves a combination of automated processes in your technology. For example, integrations from your website to your CRM. These combined with slight changes to your staff's processes. For example, requesting this information from your customers captures inexpensive but invaluable data, vital to your growth.
Here's a look at a common revenue stream for an engineering service company. Every organization has two basic types of revenue: recurring revenue, along with one-time purchases. Tracking your revenue and the sources they were generated from are the building blocks to accurate financial and resource management. Just as understanding the historical performance of your business is vital to success, equally important is the ability to plan and improve your future performance. Many organizations have already addressed these data requirements in their order generation processes. However, most still fail to incorporate a financial reporting model within the order data collection process. An easy way to implement a financial model that encompasses this one is to assign item codes, service codes, part numbers, or even prefixes and suffixes to identify your revenue types, categories, and sources. Often, this functionality is already available in ERP systems. For companies that use separate operational and financial systems, some form of integration is probably involved. In the integration, you can develop bidirectional transfers of data to collect and report on this information. Any technology company that says you can't is really telling you that they don't want to, or they don't want you to. Organizations that implement processes and systems based on these key concepts are able to identify their revenue-generating sources, the factors that drive them, and thus more precisely and consistently plan for growth. Often, the data collection and business processes are in place to develop reporting mechanisms crucial to your business growth. The next common challenges organizations face in implementing these concepts are poor data quality. Data quality concerns should be addressed through a data cleanup project and sustained through data controls and integrations wherever possible. If you find yourself in need of some assistance implementing these concepts or in cleaning up your data, you're always invited to reach out to one of our subject matter experts. After you address the concepts and data quality requirements to implement these concepts, you're now ready to begin reporting on the factors that contribute to and drive growth in your organization. The emerging market trend is to utilize automated and functional dashboard tools that allow for live-time data analysis and virtually limitless options for drilling into your data efficiently. A common example that many of our clients prefer is Power BI. Reporting tools like this allow you to connect to, import, or copy data from multiple sources. You'll see the ease at which we're able to assess this sample revenue analysis. We're able to select the parameters we're defining our criteria based off of and easily and dynamically view the data. Of course, we provide more detailed reporting than this, but hopefully you understand the principles to begin making the enhancements to your business systems and processes that are the foundations to growth. Thank you for joining us in this edition at Counting for Growth. We hope simplifying these crucial processes assists you in your future endeavors. Bellatron Technologies memberships allow you to access all of our premium training videos for one low cost. More advanced, tailored, or custom system design, implementation, and training focused on growing your business is available through our consulting and project management team. We welcome all inquiries and questions from all organizations. They are risk-free, and we provide support until they become financially justified. Best of luck, and until next time.